Okay, so to make your beaded hoops, you're going to need some hoops. These ones are just from Hobby Lobby, as well as whatever bead colors you would like to use. I'm also going to be using some size D Nymo with a size 12 beading needle. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is take your first hoop, and you're going to go ahead and take your thread, and you're going to tie a knot. It doesn't matter where the knot is because you can always move it, but just tie a nice and tight double knot. Just like that. Then from here you can slide it to whatever side you want. I'm just going to slide it right up and make sure the knot is kind of facing the top of the hoop. Okay, so to start out, I'm going to show you how you start doing a single row. So you're going to take 2 beads on your beading needle, and you're going to slide them all the way to the knot that you made on your hoop. Just like that. Then I like to hold my beads with my one hand, and I'm going to take my beading needle and go through the hoop and pull my thread, and then on this second bead, so you have the bottom one and the top one, so on that top bead you're going to go through the top of that bead and pull. And so now you have your first 2 beads, and that's how you do a single row. And then to add another bead to go all the way around, all you'll do is grab 1 bead this time, pull it all the way down to the end, and you're going to repeat the process. You're going to take your needle, put it under that hoop, and pull that needle all the way through. Then you're going to go through the top part of that bead and pull all the way through, just like so. And you'll continue the pattern of adding 1 bead until you get all the way to the other side. Okay, so this next technique is if you want to do alternating patterns. So if you want to have 1 bead and then make a slight chevron and then come back down, this is going to be how you do that. So you're going to start by taking 3 beads on your thread. So I'm just going to take 2 blues and a white, and I'm going to slide that all the way down. Then I'm going to stick that needle through our hoop and pull it through. Sometimes your beads might get a little bit lost, and that's okay. Okay, so now, because instead of doing a single row, you want to have 1 bead here and then 2 beads stacked next to it. So you're going to go through the first 2 beads at the top, like so, and then pull your needle through. And so that is the first part. Now, if you want to add 3 beads on this next one, that's exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to take 3 beads, so 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, 2 blues and a white, and you're going to slide that all the way down, and then you're going to go through our hoop and then pull, and then you're going to go through those 3 beads that you just added and then pull all the way down, just like that. Then if you want to decrease it, all you have to do is add 2 beads, then on the next row add 1 bead. And then you'll continue to do as many beads as you'd like up till you reach the end. Okay, so now that I've showed you 2 of the techniques to add beads on, now I'm going to show you a little bit of a design for some zigzag earrings. So this is what it's going to look like. That is the design. So you're first going to start off with 1 blue bead, which I've already put on, and then your next row you're going to add a blue and a white. So let's do that. Add 1 blue and 1 white. You're going to pull those beads all the way to the end, just like so. Then you're going to pull the needle through our hoop. Then go through those 2 beads that you just added. And then pull everything together. So now for my next row, I'm going to go blue, white, pink. So 1 blue, 1 white, and 1 pink. And pull that all the way to the end. Then take our needle through our loop. And then through those top 3 beads that we just added. And then pull everything together. Just like so. Now to decrease, on our next row, we're going to do the same thing that we did on the second row, which is add a blue and then a white. So add a blue, add a white, pull it all the way to the end, just like so. Go through our hoop and pull, and then through those 2 beads that we just added. And once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to go a lot faster. And then lastly, add 1 blue bead to finish off the little zigzag design. And you'll just repeat these same steps till you reach the end of your hoop, and then I'll show you how to finish it. Okay, so once you have finished your design all the way around your earring, it's time to finish it off. So you'll notice you'll have a tail at the beginning where you tied your knot, and that knot should be pretty tight. And all you're going to do is just take a pair of scissors and cut pretty close to the end. And then what I like to do is take a lighter and just to burn that part, press it down a little bit with your finger, and it should leave a pretty clean sealed end. Now as for your other side, you will end your design coming out the top. I didn't have room for 1 more blue bead, which is fine. Sometimes you just won't have enough room towards your end, but you make sure that your beads are on there super tight, and then you're gonna go through your hoop again, and this time you're gonna go up your beads at the end and then pull. So that way they are nice and secure on there. Pull them nice and tight, not too hard. And then you're gonna take your scissors and cut. So there's just a small little thread hanging, and then take your lighter and burn it to seal it. And that is how you create a beaded hoop. Let me know if you guys want to see other beaded hoop designs. I can always do those. Let me know down in the comments what kind of earrings you guys want to see next, or if you want to see jewelry pieces or pins, just let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. I know I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I'm gonna try and start get it a little bit more regular. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye!